Hey there. I want to thank you for stopping by, and I want to applaud you for taking the first step of building wealth in real estate. I know it's a little scary, but we're here to help you, and we're going to rewrite your life story. So I've been a real estate agent for more than 20 years, and for the better part of 12 years, I've been hosting day-long conferences to show agents how to build their business. Coming out of COVID, I realized that most agents, they don't build wealth in real estate. They simply sell real estate. Then I looked around at my friends and family and realized they weren't building wealth in real estate. So I did something about it. I created Build It Now Live. Build It Now Live is a real estate wealth building conference. I put together all these investors. I put them in the same room, and they go through step by step exactly what they do to build wealth. Cody and Christian. Cody was only 19 years old when he bought his first property. It was a multifamily. He used none of his own money. And he has since, I think it's been 3.5 years now, he has since built almost a 200-door portfolio. Cody's gonna show you exactly how he did it. Henry Washington. Henry had less than $1,000 to his name 6 years ago. He couldn't go on his wife's mortgage. Today, 5.5 years later, he has over 100 doors, and he flips over 30 properties a year. He also teaches people how to do it. Henry's gonna sit down with me, and we're gonna go through step by step how they do it. Look, there's 3 things I'm passionate about: savings, retirement, and debt. Those are the 3 things, right? I don't want any debt. I want a lot of savings. And I want to retire early so I can enjoy my life. Here's the thing. The Federal Reserve said that the average adult has $5,300 in savings. And I know a lot of friends that don't even have that. Experience said that the average adult has over $50,000 in debt. And I know a lot of people have a lot more than that. Here's what Ed Milet said. If you make $80,000 a year and you retire today, you'll need $2 million in a savings account earning 4% just to generate that $80,000 and maintain your lifestyle. So ask yourself, how do I measure up? Are you prepared? God forbid there's an emergency. Building wealth in real estate is one of the most incredible things you could ever do. And we could teach you how to do it with little to none of your own money. I want you to click the link below. I want you to reserve a seat. If you can get to Jersey, this is one of the most powerful day-long events you'll ever experience, and you'll walk away with tangible strategies that you can employ tomorrow, the next day, to go ahead and build wealth. If you can't get to Jersey, we have a virtual version. It's all day. You can do it in the comfort of your own home, and it's less than 20 bucks. Click the link below and reserve your seat now. This event will sell out, and once it's sold out, I can't open up more seats. That's both live and virtual. I look forward to seeing you at Build It Now Live, and I can't wait to take this journey with you. Talk to you soon.